wanita para atlet Mahima Koirala. Usia game
बसिया भने फेरि बसियो
game खिलाडी para atlet Mahima Koirala para atlet of the year.
Shishu Vikas Kendra means the Child Development Center. In 1977, the CDO of Pokhara asked the Nepal government to start a school for differently abled children. Nepal government requested the Japanese government to look into this matter. Japanese government requested the Japanese Jesuits to send one of their members to Nepal, Pokhara. And in 1978, Father Akijiro Oki arrived in St. Xavier's Javlakhel, Kathmandu. And there he spent 1 year learning Nepali. In the year 1979, Father Oki came to Pokhara and looked into the possibilities of establishing a school for differently abled children. One of the Maryknoll fathers, Father Adam Gudalovsky, helped Father Oki to start the school. They took a house on rent and started the school in its start from the beginning. And later, Father Oki worked hard and met some of his friends, and he contacted many of his friends and many benefactors to fund the ministry that he had undertaken in Pokhara. In the year 2009, after 31 years of hard work, Father Oki left for Japan for good. After that, in the year 2015, he has gone for his heavenly abode. And now the mustard seed that he had planted has grown into a big tree. And we have the actual capacity in the school to admit children is 35. But because of the constant and ardent requests of many parents, we have admitted 50 students at the moment, which is beyond our normal capacity to manage. Now, this school is running very well with 50 students. They are day scholars. They come in the morning around 9:30 and go back home in the evening at 3:30. And this school that is being run for these hapless and helpless children is a great service from the part of the Jesuits of Nepal.